the package. I'm going to be doing a bag opening. Still fighting whatever spot I have. So I was going to order these off of AliExpress. But found I could get them the same price on Amazon at this time because they're having a sale. And I got 2 more Monst dolls. First one I'm going to open. This is the bunny one. And I know that people have seen these before. But I really enjoy the ones that I have. 2 that I have. So I decided to go ahead and get 2 more. I have not been able to find the one who has the little fruits on her dress. She seems to be sold out everywhere, so I don't know if I'll ever be able to get that one or not. But I was able to get this one at a very good price. So, first one we're going to be opening is Bunny. And she looks good. So there, excuse the down nudity. And excuse the crying dog. So she has bright orange hair and very light green eyes with little hearts in the she has a little braid down either side of her head and ponytails and braids. So cute. These dolls are very posable. Circulation is wonderful. She can't quite go back all the way, but she's pretty good. Clear that up for you. And the clothing comes in a separate box. And it comes in a very adorable little bag. Comes with a hat. Has a snap. It's a second. Here I was thinking I had everything being recorded and I didn't. So I have her outfit basically on. I'm getting the hat on. Everything has snap. The jumper has snaps on. This has a little elastic loop, so I'll probably just leave it. I'm just going to leave it open like this. She has a little pink rabbit socks and her adorable hat. This is really adorable, and it has wire in it, so you can adjust how you want the ears. Super sweet. pockets are not functioning, but they are very nicely detailed. And you know, I had to make her a little bunny to go with Bunny. I'll just hold it. Go. And now for towel number 2, but I think that'll be a different day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, or both.